So welcome to today's class. So my students, we actually covered trigonometry 1, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and check it out in the mathematics playlist, which is also linked in the video description below. So in today's class we are going to look at the topic trigonometry 2, and by the end of this topic we should be able to achieve the following objectives. That is, we should be able to define and draw the unit circle, use the unit circle to find trigonometric ratios, find trigonometric ratios of negative angles, find trigonometric ratios of angles greater than the unit circle, use mathematical tables and to find trigonometric ratios of angles in the range of I think it's well listed, so check the description of this video for the detailed outline of this course. So we're also going to define the radian measure, draw graphs of trigonometric functions y is equals to sine x, y is equals to cos x, and y is equals to tan x using degrees and radians. We're going to derive the sine rule, derive the cosine rule, apply the sine and the cosine rule to solve triangles, and finally apply this knowledge of sine and cosine rules in real life situations. So check the description of this video for a detailed course outline of the same. See you in our next class.